D for dress. D for dog. D for deer. D for duck. D for dinosaur. D for dolphin. D for devil. D for drawn. D for door. D for desk. D for dig. D for donut. D for diamond. D for dartboard. D for dice. D for dress drawn.